What's going on, folks? I'm going to show you how you would change your headlights on a 2009 Toyota Camry. It's pretty simple to do. If you look right here, I'm actually on the passenger side. You look right down here, all you got to do is you'll see your thing. You just pretty much want to spin it. Yeah, you pretty much just want to spin it like that, and once you do that, it'll basically come out and just kind of spin it. And once you have it spun up, you just want to take it out like that. You just want to take it out like that. Then all you got to do is pretty much unplug it from the back. Yeah, once you spin it, all you got to do is pull it out like that. You want to unplug it right here, which will pop out your headlight. Then you can go ahead and stick your new headlight in just by going right back into that opening down there. Stick it inside like that. Then once you got it in there, you just want to go ahead and spin it back down. You'll pretty much be done. Alright, folks, once again, it's how you would change out your headlights on a 2009 Toyota Camry. Please check out our other videos and please subscribe. Thanks.